In this video, I'm gonna discuss very important topic of Python, that is Python modules. Module refers to a file containing Python statements, variables like list, tuple, strings, and functions. Module has .py extension. A file containing Python code, for example, first module.py is called module. In this video, I will use first module.py as a module. And in this example, first module is a name of module. There are two types of modules in Python. First is user defined module and other one is built-in module. Let me tell you about built-in module. Python language has some built-in libraries, and modules are like libraries. When we use module that is provided by Python language, for example, see here I have written here three names, and we will discuss built-in modules in detail in my later videos. OS, sys, platform, and also we have many more Python modules. But in this video, I will discuss only user-defined module. What is user-defined module? Python provides facility to the users to create their own modules. Modules provide reusability of code. We can define our most used function in module and we can import it. Instead of copying and writing again and again, we can make our most usable functions, variables in separate file, and we give it .py extension, and that will call as a module. Now I will discuss how to use user-defined modules. We have two keywords, import and from, to access the user-defined module. First, I will discuss import keyword. See here, with the help of import keyword, we can access our module. And let me show you our module. See here, I have created a separate Python file, and in this file, see here, I have written some functions and variables. See here, first function is add, second function is subtract, and see here, this is a variable that is called dictionary, and name of dictionary is person1. And see here, this is a list. To use this file as a module in our current Python program, we will save this file by clicking on file and then save as python.py, and then see here, I have just downloaded the file, and then we will upload this file. See here, upload this file by selecting the file here, see here, then click on the file and open and then upload. Because I have already uploaded the file, that's why I just cancel it. Now our module is uploaded in our current directory. When module is present in our current directory, we can access the module using import keyword. And see here, with the help of import keyword, I just import the first module with the name of module dot. We can access each function or variable of the module. And see here, in add function I just passed 2 and 3 arguments. And see here, we have first function add, and with the name of module dot we can access each variable or function. And see here, it return 5. And also we can create object for this module using as. Import first module as fm, and then with the help of fm dot add we can access the same function. And see here, it returned the 5 result. Now I will discuss from with import keyword. We can import single function of the module, and also we can import multiple functions or variable using from, and then name of module, then import. And see here, I have just imported add, and with comma we can import multiple function, and our second function is, see here, subtract, and also we can import subtract as well using comma. And let me write here subtract, and see here, it return -1. And one thing we have to keep in mind, when we import the function or variable, then we don't have to write the name of module again as we write in above example. And see here, in this example I just want to show you how to access particular value of key in a dictionary. And see here, I just import first module, and then with the name of module dot, see here, I just pass the name of dictionary, and then with square bracket I pass the key and stored in A, and then I print person age. And see here, in module we have this dictionary person and age is equal to 27. And see here, and when I write here name, and see here, it return Atif Masih. And also we can import each function or variable with the help of static. From module import static, it means we can import each function or variable that is written in module. See here, I just printed the list and see the result. And also I just printed the dictionary and see here. And one thing we have to keep in mind, when we import using static, we don't have to mention the name of module. Like we have written here, module, first module.person. But when we import using from keyword, then we just call function or variable name. At the end, I will discuss some advantages of using module. Modules help us to organize the large problem or code into smaller chunks. We can simplify our code, and also code is easier to understand and use. When we organize our code in smaller pieces, we can easily understand the code. And third, that is very important advantage of using module is reusability. When we have some function that we know, we can use these functions multiple times in our code. And without module, we have to write again and again. But when we created a module, then we just import our module in our current program, and with the help of import and from keyword, we can access our functions or variable. I hope this lesson was interesting, and if you have any query, then let me know in comment section. And if you want to learn more about Python, then please subscribe my channel, like and share my videos with your friends. And one thing more important, don't forget to click on bell icon so that you won't miss my new video.
Stay
Thank
tuned.
you so
We'll
much
be right
for
back.
watching my video.